Hey beautiful babes, it's Sweet Angel here. Welcome into Sugar Fingers. Listen, I have some exciting news today. It is July 1st, as you know, but did you know today is Madam Glam's 7th anniversary collection release date, which is called 13 Going on 30. Yes, this is the 7th chapter of this year. This new collection, 13 Going on 30, contains 10 new fantastic soak off gel nails, and I'm super excited because you know I got my hand on 4 of them. Take a look here. There's 2 of them. Oh my, oh my. Will you take a gander? And there's the other 2. So pretty. Let's talk about these beautiful polishes I have. I'm ready to do a nail design with these nail polishes. Tell me, what do you think I should do? I really would love to hear from you down below in the comments. This one is called Birthday Cake, and there's the color on top, and you know their colors match up. The top matches what's in the bottle. And look, I have a beautiful lime green polish. This one is called Jenna, and this one looks awfully pretty. Looky there, so pretty, pretty, pretty. And this is Bubbles Troubles. Oh my gosh, these are the cutest names. And the final one I have is so pretty. Wow, this is going to really show off your suntan, okay? This is Razzle's Pink. Oh my goodness. So let me know, and we'll see if we're thinking alike when it comes to the nail design I should do. Oh yes, I want to hear from you beautiful babes. So let me know and stay tuned right here on the channel as I release the colors on my nails on the design I chose just for you. I already have it in mind, but I just want to see if we're thinking alike. If you're going to talk about marbles, or do you love to see that new trendy abstract nail design that's so popular now? Or just let me know. I'm curious. So tell me what you think is going to match up well with these. I'm your girl Sweet Angel. I'm signing up for now. I want to say happy birthday to Madam Glam, 13 going on 30 baby, and I'm super excited about these shades. So let's get to it right here on Sugar Fingers. And be sure when shopping on Madam Glam's website, you use my 30% off coupon. It is Sweet Angel 30 at checkout, and get 30% off your entire order. And the next post you'll see is my nail design coming up on the next video, and you'll see what I'm rocking. Yeah. All right, beautiful babes, take care. Remember to always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.